are pleased to show you the 2020 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats, climate control, front-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.